In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to edit the disclaimer text on your inventory page. So if we go take a look at our live site here, the bottom of our inventory page, we're going to have this disclaimer paragraph. Now, if you want to edit that, you're going to do that in the Settings Preference panel. I'm just going to scroll down to the disclaimer section. And then whatever changes you put in here, once you hit Save Changes, if we refresh this page, now you're going to see we have our changes in here. So you're not going to edit that in the page builder like you would with normal text. You're going to want to edit that in the Preferences section. You can also check this box to show the same disclaimer on your Craigslist ads. That's all for this tutorial.